Sitting tall with the knees bent, feet parallel. So not all the way together, but sit bones distance apart. Decent bend in the knee, and the hands come back behind us. So we're setting up for reverse tabletop, for reverse plank. If these don't work for you, you could always go back and do bridging, any variation of bridging you would like. If you're here, fingertips point forward or out to the sides. We're on that hinge, that diagonal lean. So my spine is still neutral, elbows unlocked and kind of squeezing towards each other if you can, so that it roots the shoulder blades onto the back, down towards the back pockets, right? And the belly and ribs are connected. And just holding here, reaching the neck up away from the shoulders, lengthening. That's work all through the shoulder girdle, and if that's enough work for you, that's fine. I realized I needed to bring my feet in a little closer now that I leaned back, so that as I exhale, press into the feet, lift the seat, reverse tabletop. Inhale, lower the hips down, keep the shoulders strong. Careful of locking elbows, unlock the elbows. And when you lock your elbows, it's going to jam the movement right up into your neck and shoulder joint. If you can keep them unlocked, you're going to keep the shoulders spacious. Exhale, press into the feet, lift the seat. As you lower down, strong shoulders, lower the hips. Exhale, lift, squeeze the belly. You can keep your chin tucked towards your chest or let your head drop back, whatever feels better for you. Inhale, lower, nice soft elbow. Exhale, zip the belly and lift. Last one. And inhale, lower down. Beautiful. Extend your legs out long. Stretch the arms out and up. Reach them forward. Spine stretch forward. Tuck your chin. Round through the back. Using your belly pulling in to pull you forward. The arms can come down to rest on the legs, or they can stay hovering parallel to the floor. Wherever they're at, though, keep the shoulders wide and down. Breathe into the back, inhale. And breathe out and stack the spine up tall. Keeping the arms wherever they are. One more spine stretch, tuck the chin. Exhale, round through the upper back. Hold the ribs in. Hold the belly in, round through the lower back. Breathe into the back. Feel that length. Inhale. And exhale, stacking the spine up. Tall, tall, tall. Beautiful. Lovely. One last thing. If you want, you could be done. You can finish with full reverse plank. So with the legs straight and all the way together for this one. Same position for the setup, upper body, hands back, diagonal lean, shoulder blades onto the back. Breathe in here and breathe out. Kick into your feet, lift your seat and hold and breathe. Shoulders back and down, chin to chest or head in line. Inhale, keep kicking the heels into the ground, zipping the belly up the front. One more breath. As you lower your hips, keep your shoulders strong. Keep the hands pressing the ground away from you. As you lower down, find yourself sitting tall. One last spine stretch forward. The arms stretch up and around. Inhale. Exhale, spine stretch forward. Hands come to rest. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. 3 breaths in here into the back. Exhale, scooping the belly, sinking into that spine stretch forward. Another inhale, feeling that length. Exhale, finding the strength. One more time. Breathing in and breathing out. Stacking the spine up. Beautiful, y'all. That was not an easy class today. Did you notice? Y'all did really great.